Today, we're diving into a topic that's getting a lot of attention lately: how to hire the right AI automation expert or agency. It's not as straightforward as it sounds, right?
Absolutely not. A lot of people get wowed by fancy dashboards and buzzwords, but if you're not asking the right questions, you can end up paying a premium for what's essentially a pile of low-code tools and monthly subscriptions.
Exactly. One of the first things to ask a potential AI automation expert is what platforms they use. If the answer starts and ends with Zapier, Make, Airtable, and OpenAI, that's a big red flag.
Right. Those tools are fine for beginners or quick prototypes, but they're not a sign of deep automation expertise. A seasoned expert should be using more open-source, self-hostable solutions, like NA10, Node-RED, or custom Python frameworks. Those platforms show both experience and a mindset for scalability.
And they're way more cost-effective in the long run. You don't want to get locked into paying $100 a month just to run 5 automations. That's where open source really shines. No licensing fees and full control.
Totally agree. Another key thing to ask is whether they offer a 30-day trial or pilot phase. If someone's trying to push a big contract up front without showing actual value in a test environment, that's a problem.
And during that trial, look at the measurable results. Not just promises like "we'll save you time," but actual benchmarks. How many hours saved? How many workflows automated? How much money you're not spending on manual labor anymore?
Yeah, and push for use cases. Ask, what businesses like mine have you worked with? What did you automate for them? What was the impact? If they can't give specifics, they probably don't have the experience you need.
Another thing, don't fall for the hype. There's a lot of AI drifters out there, people who just slap GPT-4 onto a chatbot and call it innovation.
Oh man, yes. You want someone who can talk data structure, integrations, latency issues, not just someone quoting ChatGPT prompts and using Canva templates.
So true. And ask how they think about AI in your actual business model. Can they map automations to real-world business functions? Sales, onboarding, reporting, customer support.
That's the analytical mindset you want. If the conversation feels more like a TED Talk than a consulting session, run.
And maybe the biggest takeaway, more open source usually means more expertise. If they've built systems with tools like Hugging Face, LangChain, FastAPI, or Docker, you're talking to someone who knows what they're doing.
Plus, those tools let you keep ownership. No black box solutions. No vendor lock-in. That's critical if you want to scale or switch later.
So to wrap up, ask about platforms, push for open source, demand trials, and always look at results, not the hype.
And if it feels too slick or vague, it probably is. Trust your gut, but also bring your spreadsheet.
Couldn't have said it better. Until next time, think smart, automate smarter.